Hi, today we are making a winter lantern. To make your winter lantern, you need some fresh flowers or leaves from your nature's walk. Blue a balloon. Now, mix glue and water in the ratio of 1:3. Take a paintbrush, stick your tissue paper. Stick it all around. Let it dry and repeat the process. Make sure you have 2 layers of tissue paper all around your balloon. Once completely dry, place your flowers or your leaves and put another layer of paper and spread glue all over it. Leave it overnight to dry fully. Now, just take a pin and pop your balloon. Put strings on the corners and put in your fairy lights inside. You now have a beautiful lantern that you can hang outdoors on your balcony or even indoors inside your house.